Hello, this is Dan Fashionbauer from GrooveSaaSAffiliateReviews.com. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business page and a Facebook pixel for my SaaS Groovefunnels program. Now, after creating a pixel, I will show you how to put that pixel on your Groovepages website. All right, so let's go over to Facebook. All right, so I recently got an update from Facebook. So my business manager moved. I used to be able to come up here and use this pull down here, and then I could select my business manager. It no longer gives me the opportunity to do that. But if I come over here in this left-hand column here and click on See More and click on Ads Manager, and then come up here and click on Business Home in the upper left, then I can see my business manager here called Video Pizzazz LLC that has 5 ad accounts in it. So now I can select that business manager and it loads up. So that's just a little quirk on Facebook. They just did an update and moved things around, but this is how you would get into your business manager account with the latest update as of the summer of 2020. So currently this business manager is split into 2 sections. This top part here shows your ad accounts for your different businesses, and then the bottom half here shows the Facebook business pages that you have created with inside of this account. All right, so the first thing I need to do is create a new business page for my business. So I'll come up here and click on Business Settings. In this left-hand column here under Accounts, there is a Pages section. Select Pages and click on Add. Now if your business already owns a page, you can click this. If you want to request access to somebody else's page, you can click this. In my case, I want to create a new page, so I'm going to click here. And then you get to choose your category. Now in my case, I'm going to select brand or product, and then I need to give my page a name. I am going to call it Groove SaaS Affiliate Reviews, and then choose a category. You can select any of these categories that fit your needs. In my case, I'm just going to select website. Then click on Create Page, and then this header up here updated to my new page. So this now tells me that I'm in this page area. You will need this ID if you want to create an ads account, and I do. So I'm going to copy to clipboard and save that into a document for future use. Now here there's an Add Peoples tab and Assign Partners tab. So people, I can assign more people to administer this page, and then there's also a partnership page here. And since I created this page, it only has me listed here, but I can use this guy here and I can see all the permissions that I have. So I'm going to turn on everything for myself and click on Save. All right, so now my page is showing up right here, and you can see there is not an icon listed for this yet. All right, so then I can come up here in the upper right and click on View Page. All right, so it says Groove SaaS Affiliate Reviews, and you can see that there's no icon here and there's no cover yet. So hover in here for your icon and click on Update. Click on Upload a Photo, and I'm going to upload a PNG that's transparent background. Click on Open, and then you can move this around a little bit here, something like that, and click on Save. All right, so then that got updated right here. Now we can add a cover that we previously created. You can do this in any photo editor, like for instance Canva is free. All right, so I'm going to click on Add a Cover, Upload Photo/video, and I am going to upload this JPEG here. You could upload a JPEG or PNG. I'm not really worried about a transparent background for this, so I'm just going to upload the PNG file and click on Open. And then you can drag this around so it fits, but in my case it's the proper size, so I don't have to do anything with it. I can just click on Save. Now in my graphic header here, I put a arrow down to this button here to get my free bonus. So I'll click on Add a Button. You get to select from these options here. In my case, I'm going to have Learn More About Your Business. I'm going to select Learn More, click on Next Step, and then I can put in a website link here. So I'll click on that, and then I will paste in my website URL, click on Save, click on Finish. All right, so now when these people click on this button here, it'll take them to my website. Now you can come up here and click on Edit Page Info. Now here's a short description. You can only have 255 characters. All right, I'm just going to put something in here as a placeholder. SaaS Affiliate is a training program to properly SEO your Groovefunnel websites for page 1 rankings in Google. All right, and I'll click on Save Changes, and then come down here. Category is website, and then you can add in more categories. So you can say landing page builder. So for website, it comes up with all these different categories here. So I could select e-commerce. Let's just say web designer. Click on Save Changes. For contact, I'm not going to have a contact phone number, but if you did, you would enter it in here. So I'm going to select my page doesn't have a phone number. Click on Save Changes. Now you have the option to enter in the URL of your website. Click on Save Changes. If you want people to contact you through email, you can enter in your email address here. Click on Save Changes. If you want people to know where your business is located, you can fill out this information here. I'm going to see if I can just put in a city and zip. Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, zip 54729. And then we can take this marker here, we can drag it over there. Let's expand this, slide this over, expand it some more. Slide it over, expand some more. All right, so I'm just about by this lake here, so I'm going to slide this over here. And if you don't want people to see your location, you can uncheck this. I'm fine with having them see my location. So I'll click on Save Changes. All right, it looks like it did take it without having a physical street address. And you can set up a service area if your business serves a particular area. My business is a worldwide business, so I'm not concerned about this. Hours, I'm going to say always open. And then with the COVID thing, it's asking us if we're temporarily open or not. I'm just going to say operating as usual. Click on Save Changes. Okay, for the impression, I'm saying here that some countries such as Austria, Germany, and Switzerland may require this. I'm in the US, so I'm not going to do anything with this. So I'll click on Cancel on that. For products, I'm just going to say fastest growing website and funnel builder in the world. Click on Save Changes, and then add in your privacy policy URL for your business, and click on Save Changes. All right, then you come back over here and click on Page. Now when you scroll down on the right hand side here, you'll see all the information that you updated. Let's see, here's your map. If I scroll down here, I've got my website URL. It's an e-commerce website, web design. My hours, always open. And on the left hand side here, if I click on About, I should see that same information. So now if I scroll down here, here's my Facebook URL. I did not enter in a phone number. Here's my category. Here's the name of my Facebook page. I can create a user URL. So I can click on that. And then for my username, I can click in here, paste in Groove SaaS Affiliate Reviews. And then that got updated right here underneath my main page name. And I'll click on Create Username. All right, so the page is not eligible to change that yet. I think the way Facebook has it set up, you have to have so many likes on a page before you can update that information. But if we continue down, here's Edit Business Details. Not going to do anything with that. You can enter in a start date. Unspecified, I can click on, say, launched, and then a year, 2020, month, August, day the 2nd. I click on Save. Here's my Gmail. Here's my URL of my website. Anyway, you get the idea. You can come through here and make sure that all this stuff gets updated. All right, so now we have a Facebook business page. Now if we want to run any Facebook ads to this page, we're going to have a Facebook ads account. So if we come back over to our business manager area, now if I refresh this page here, my icon shows up here that I just updated on my Facebook page. So remember I said you're going to need this business ID number. So copy this to the clipboard. And now we're going to create a Facebook ads account for our page. So on the left hand side here under accounts, I'll select add accounts. So here's the current ad accounts that I have in my business manager. I'm add a new one. So I'll click on add, or you can add an ad account. You can request access to somebody else's ad account if you're going to be managing ads for them, or you can create a new ad account. So in my case today, I want to create a new ad account. So select that. Give your account a name. I'm going to name my ad account the same as my business Facebook page. So I'm going to call it Groove SaaS Affiliate Reviews. Put in the correct time zone, the time zone that you live in. Select your currency. Mine's going to be dollars. And for the payment method, you have to have a charge card on file with Facebook, and I already do with my business manager. So for me, when I do select payment method, I am going to select the MasterCard that I have on file with Facebook and click on Next. Alright, so it says this ad account will be used for my business, which is my business manager, or another business or client. So I'm going to select another business or client. What's going to happen is if I select this, the icon from Video Pizzazz LLC is going to be shown on all the ads, and I don't want that. I want the icon from my Groove SaaS affiliate review page to be shown. So I'm going to select another business or client. So then paste in that business ID that we obtained previously from our Groove SaaS affiliate review Facebook page. And basically what you're doing here now is you're linking this new ad account to the Facebook business page. So I'll click on create, and you'll notice when I did that, over here grayed out area, it's showing that Groove SaaS affiliate review account was actually created. So this is where you assign yourself or managers to this ad account if you want somebody else to run the ad account with you. In my case, I only want myself to be running this ad account, so I'm going to select next to my name here. It says one person selected, and then I want to give myself all these permissions. So I will have permissions to manage campaigns, view performance, manage Creative Hub mockups, and manage ad account. Click on Assign. Alright, so it says nice work. This number here has been created and added to your business manager account. Click on Close. So as you can see here, we're in our ads account, and it created a new ads account called Groove SaaS Affiliate Reviews, and it also shows it up here as being active. So now that this account is the current active account, I can create a Facebook pixel for this account. So to create a pixel for this account, I'll come down here to Data Sources, click on Pixels, and click on Add. So give your pixel a name. I'll take this out of here. I'm going to call it Groove SaaS Affiliate Reviews Pixel. And it says check your website for easy setup options. This is optional. I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to click on Continue. So now I'm going to obtain my newly created Facebook pixel and put it on my Groove website. So I will click on Set up the pixel now. Click on Manually add pixel code to website. So I'll hover my mouse inside this area here. It says Copy Code to Clipboard. Click that to copy the code. Now I need to go over to Groovefunnels and go into Groovepages. Open up and edit the website that I want to put the pixel on. So I'll come up here and click on Open Editor. And then I'll come up here in the upper right corner, click on these three pancakes here. Click on that, click on Site Settings, scroll down, and you'll see Code includes tracking, GA, etc. So this is your global site tracking area. If you put the code in here, it'll track on every page that you have on this domain name. So I currently have Google tracking in here. I'm going to scroll down underneath there and do a carriage return, Control V, and paste the Facebook pixel code in there. All right, so now I have Google Analytics code and I have my Facebook pixel. Then come up here and make sure you click on this check mark here and click on Save. And it says Content Saved. Now you're ready to go. The Facebook pixel code will be applied to every page of this URL. Now, for some reason, if you did not want your Facebook pixel global on every page, you could have it specific only to one page on your URL. And the way you would do that is you would come over here to Pages, and here are all the different pages of my site. So I could click and select the three dots here on any one of these pages, go into Edit Settings, scroll down, and here's the custom code area for the header. Again, if you only want to track one specific page of your URL, you would paste your pixel code in here. I don't want to do that today. In my case, if anybody clicks on any page of my URL, I want to get them pixeled in Facebook. All right, so in order to actually get this pixel updated properly, I need to publish it. So I'm going to click the pull down here and come down and click on Publish. All right, it says Content Saved. All right, so now if I open up a new tab, I have the Facebook Pixel Helper installed into my Google Chrome browser. So that sits right here. So if you keep watching this, you'll notice that when I paste in my URL and hit return, it turned blue and I got a number 2 in here. So now if I click on this, it says 1 pixel found on www.groovesaasaffiliate.com. And if I continue down here, and so it says I got a page view, which is true. I just viewed the page. So this proves to me that I created my Facebook pixel correctly inside of Facebook, and I put it on my website and saved it correctly because it's now communicating. So now anytime anybody clicks on any of my pages on this URL, it'll get pixeled at Facebook. All right, so then we can come back over to Facebook here and just click on Continue. All right, so now it says you can use Facebook's event setup tool, which is recommended. So click on that. So now it says enter in the website URL and click on Open Website. So then Facebook pops up this tool here. It says measure the valuable actions people take on your website with our interactive event setup tool. Click on Next. Navigate through your website to track events that map to your customer journey. Click on Next. We find and highlight buttons you can track or you can find and track your own. All right, let's get started. So not only can you track when people come to your website, you can track when they click one of your buttons. So for instance, if I scroll down here, this Join Now button, I can actually track that. So if somebody would come to my website, they'll get pixeled. But then if they click the Join Now button, I could have them pixeled again just for clicking the Join Now button and going to my sign up page. But I'm not going to do that today. I'll probably create another video for that. So I'm just going to click on Finish Setup and then click on Finish. And then I will cancel out of this and I'm done. So now when I click on Pixels, I do see a Groove SaaS Affiliate Reviews pixel. And currently it's red, which says there's no activity yet. There should be activity. Let me do a refresh. All right, so now it's green. It should have been some activity because I did go to my website after I put the pixel on there. So now that it's green, that means that Facebook goes out to my website, sees that Facebook pixel code and says, okay, everything is good. I can communicate back and forth. So we are good to go. All right, so that concludes creating a Facebook business page, which is showing up right here as Groove SaaS Affiliate Reviews. And then I created an ad account and linked it to my page. That shows up right here under ad account. And then I created a pixel so I could track people when they clicked on my page, and that shows up right here. All right, so that concludes this video, and I hope you enjoy all the new and exciting features of Groovefunnels. And if you want to learn more about how to promote Groovefunnels and get your sites SEO'd and ranked on the top of Google, check out my SaaS affiliate program. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.